Dulex Aquatech Waterproof Repair Polymer is a multi-purpose product with ultra-dense technology which increases strength and provides higher order waterproofing to your house. It can be used for a variety of different applications. Before you start, clean the surface with a wire brush to remove loose particles, sand and dust. Remove grease with a suitable solvent cleaner. To use as a waterproofing coat, mix Dulex Aquatech Waterproof Repair Polymer with the cement in the ratio of 1:2 by weight. Mix until proper consistency is attained. Apply one coat in vertical and second coat in horizontal direction in a time span of 4 to 6 hours. To use as a bond coat, mix Dulex Aquatech Waterproof Repair Polymer with the cement in the ratio of 1:1 by weight. Mix until proper consistency is attained. Apply one coat to the prepared concrete substrate. Then overlay with mortar repair or concrete repair as required while bond coat is still tacky. For mortar repairs and patching, first apply bond coat to your prepared surface. Mix cement and sand in the ratio of 1:3. Take 10 to 15% of Dulex Aquatech Waterproof Repair Polymer by weight of cement. Mix it with 10% water by weight of sand and cement mixture. Pour the liquid mixture in sand and cement aggregate. Mix until proper consistency is attained. Apply the mix evenly over the affected surface. For concrete repairs such as columns, beams, balcony and walls, first apply bond coat to your prepared surface. Mix cement, sand and aggregates in the ratio of 1:1.5:1.5. Take 10 to 15% of Dulex Aquatech Waterproof Repair Polymer by weight of cement and mix it with 20% water by weight of sand, cement and aggregate mixture. Pour the water and the Dulex Aquatech Waterproof Repair Polymer mixture in sand cement aggregate and mix until proper consistency is attained. Apply the mix evenly over the affected surface.